you've got buckthorn everywhere. Now here are the berries. The goal here is to interrupt this process of the birds eating the berries and spreading them. You have it everywhere. So you cut it down. Okay, I'll come back to that. You've got the bittersweet all in here. I can't remember, here, up here in the buckthorn. I don't want to let them like duke it out, but let's not. You've got the mugwort. You've got the multiflora rose in here. Okay, so like this whole area, just, you know, I would bulldoze basically. You don't have a bulldozer, so what are your choices? Okay, so you can pull some of the stuff out. You can dig some of the stuff out. You can, with the more woody stuff, you can cut and use a stump killer. That's probably the best way to go if you want to get rid of all those other Rose of Sharon. Or you can cut and cover like smother. Okay. Or you can cut and be out here all the time and like cut off all the new growth, These are your options, in my opinion. And you have to make the choice that's best for you. But you have a lot here, and if you're going to get rid of, you have a ton of buckthorn over there, all over there, I would seriously consider a stump killer. Because it just, you know, you get it, you get rid of it, and you move on and you plant new stuff.